the 2025 Ford Maverick. Pickup truck continues to redefine what it means to be a compact utility vehicle by seamlessly blending efficiency, innovation, and rugged practicality. This year's model takes a significant leap forward with refreshed styling, including a bolder grille, sharper LED lighting, and a more sculpted body that brings it closer in design language to Ford's larger trucks, while still maintaining its distinct, approachable identity. Under the hood, the Maverick now offers two refined powertrain options, a fuel-efficient hybrid system for urban commuters, and a turbocharged EcoBoost engine for those needing extra muscle for towing or highway performance. The hybrid variant delivers an impressive estimated 40 mpg in the city, making it one of the most economical trucks on the market. While the turbocharged 2.0-liter engine boasts over 250 horsepower, providing the strength to tow up to 4,000 pounds when properly equipped. Inside, the 2025 Maverick gets a tech-forward makeover with a new 13.2-inch SYNC5 touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and a digital instrument cluster that enhances the driving experience with crisp graphics and intuitive functionality. Ford has also focused on making the Maverick more adaptable than ever. Standard features include the FLEXBED system, which allows owners to customize cargo solutions with ease, thanks to built-in slots, tie-downs, and even a 110 volts outlet. You're hauling gear for a weekend adventure, or just making a grocery run. The Maverick's blend of smart storage and compact dimensions make it incredibly easy to live with. Safety hasn't taken a back seat. Either for Co-Pilot 360 now comes standard across all trims, bringing features like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control into the base package. The cabin is remarkably spacious for a compact truck, offering comfortable seating for 5 cleverly integrated storage solutions under the rear seats, and new materials that enhance durability and aesthetics. Higher trims like the Lariat deliver a more premium experience, with leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and even a B&O sound system, making the Maverick feel more upscale without sacrificing its working-class roots. Additionally, the Maverick now includes over-the-air software updates, meaning performance, safety, and infotainment improvements can be installed without visiting a dealership. Ford has also responded to customer feedback by offering new optional packages that cater to outdoor enthusiasts, such as the Tremor Off-Road Package, which adds advanced all-wheel drive, skid plates, and upgraded suspension components for improved trail capability. The 2025 Ford Maverick is not just a budget-friendly entry point into the truck world, it's a thoughtfully engineered tool that proves small can still be mighty. Its ability to blend comfort, tech, fuel efficiency, and genuine utility in a city-friendly size mix. It's one of the most versatile vehicles in Ford's lineup and a top contender for anyone seeking a daily driver that can handle occasional off-road tasks or DIY projects. Ultimately, the 2025 Maverick stands as a testament to Ford's ability to innovate without pricing out the everyday consumer, offering a compelling alternative for those who need a truck but don't want to deal with the size or cost of a full-size pickup. Whether you're a first-time truck buyer or looking to downsize from a larger rig, the Maverick delivers exactly what modern drivers demand: smart, efficient, flexible performance in a package that's as fun to drive as it is functional.